Hello, I'm Michael Spiegel, President and CEO of Good Shepherd Rehabilitation Network.
And I'm Brian Grigsby, President of Moravian University. We are very pleased to be together today to introduce and talk about an exciting new partnership between our two organizations.
Together, we will explore and develop educational and research opportunities that lead to advancements in the rehabilitation industry and provide solutions for people living with disabilities.
This type of partnership is unusual in our industries, and we're excited to lead the way. While some elements of the partnership, like cross-training and education, will begin now, the partnership will come to full fruition with the opening of a joint 3D printing lab in early 2023 at Good Shepherd's new rehabilitation hospital, which is being built in Center Valley, Pennsylvania.
The lab will be housed within Good Shepherd's Experience Center, a game-changing hub to explore and research technological megatrends that have the potential to advance rehabilitation practice, as well as change lives in very practical ways for people living with disabilities.
The Good Shepherd Moravian University 3D experience will be a transformational space where clinicians, students, and teachers work collaboratively to explore, research, and implement innovations in 3D printing within a practical healthcare environment.
Together, we will use 3D printing technology for patient care, create and carry out a research agenda, and provide advanced training and education to current and next generation rehabilitation professionals.
In short, we're designing the future.
And creating a space where curious clinicians, students, and faculty can explore, research, and innovate. There was really an underlying philosophy behind what we wanted to achieve, and it's more than just having a 3D printing lab within the Experience Center. Rather, we have a philosophy of we want to be leaders in using 3D printing in clinical practice. We want to create a deep research agenda about 3D printing. We want to become a teacher of others, and we want to become thought leaders for how 3D printing can be used in a rehabilitation setting.
Our faculty are producing the next generation of occupational therapists, physical therapists that will be working in the field. And this opportunity gets us to explore ways to research new techniques, new technologies in a practical environment.
Well, both of our organizations have seen virtually every megatrend that has occurred in society and have been able to adapt to it, have been able to take advantage of it. We want to lay claim to the future. So we think about this partnership and we think about what we want to do with technology, not in what's going to happen in the next 1 year or 5 years, but where we can take this over the next 10, 20, 30, as many decades in the future as we can possibly envision.
Well, Moravian's been around since 1742. We were founded to provide the educational needs of the Lehigh Valley, and we continue to do that. And this is just a great opportunity for our students and our faculty, and it's just evidence of a long history of Moravian and partnerships.